Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a quick bedroom tour because I get a lot of questions about some of my decor. So here is a video trying to tell you where everything's at. I did get a few items from years ago, so I might not remember, so I apologize. Anyways, if you want to see how my room looks like currently, because I'm still not done at all. This is not how my room's gonna be eventually in a few months, because I have to buy a lot of things, but you know, your girl needs some monies, you know? Anyways, let's get started with this bedroom tour, and I'm actually going to start on this side because it's the most less decorated side. I don't know. Obviously, that is my door, and I have some hanging shelves, which is totally incomplete. Like, there's so many things I want to do here, but I just needed some decor to fill it up for now. I didn't want to keep it empty, so that's what I have. Not the best looking over here on this side, but whatever. I got all these wall photos are all from Amazon. I will have them linked below, as well as this cute moon macrame. It's so pretty, also from Amazon, and I think it was pretty affordable too. I think like $15. I think that's a good deal, especially, you know, with macrames now. They're kind of expensive sometimes, but it's so pretty. I had to get it. And then down here is my Mikey boy. Where do you go? Right there. What up? What up? Anyways, this cubicle thing is from Walmart. I had this at my old apartment, my old room, and I need to replace it because it's really bad looking. It's more bad down there because the water from him, not the water, but like when I water my plants and stuff, it goes down and it kind of creates bubbles. Anyways, enough explaining that. I keep talking. So yeah, this is cubicles from Walmart, and I got a bunch of decor. A lot of things here. Those baskets are from Target. Target fits perfectly for this cubicle. You guys don't understand how long I've been searching for these bad boys, and finally go to Target and find them. Pretty expensive though. Ugh, I don't know. And Hello Kitty, got that for my gift. Candle, I think most of my things are from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, because like I said, I got these quite a few years ago. Don't remember exactly. My real plants, beautiful babies, I love you. Thank you for surviving and not making me look like a plant color. But this cutie right here, I've had her or him, whatever you call plants, for 2.5 years, and she's alive and kicking. I just recently got these two beautiful plants. They are still alive and kicking, and they're so pretty. Anyways, guys, that is it for this side of the room. If you have any questions, just let me know below and I'll answer. I am trying to do this quickly, not trying to have this a very long video. All right, so this side of the room, not complete, like I keep saying. I have this basket over here from Target. Throw blanket from somewhere, don't remember. I have this mirror from Target. It's gonna eventually go up here, I believe. I am guessing because I don't like it on the floor just chilling. So it might come up here. I will have an updated room tour a few months from now, you know. But this is where I am office wise. My sister-in-law gave me this desk, which is perfect. So it was for free, and you know what? For free is the best thing ever. Anyways, chair, no, that's not the good chair. I only have that chair because I needed a chair to sit at. It looks dirty. Wow, embarrassing. Anyways, I need a new chair, and all these items are all really from years ago. Not years, I keep saying years, but it's been like a couple years ago. This is from my old apartment. It's just a little drawer or whatever that I use my business cards in and all that stuff. And then my notebook. This is from Amazon, this Pampas, I think that's what it's called. From Amazon. I love these things. Shout out to Lauren, because she's the one that got me addicted, and watch, I'm gonna get more. Anyways, I got this vase from IKEA. I got these little placemats. They're actually supposed to be for a table, dining room table, but I got it from the thrift store, and I thought that was pretty cool because it's like, I feel like Boho is more like these type of colors, neutrals, a lot of baskets and all that good stuff. Anyways, candle, Marshall's TJ Maxx picture frame as well. I got this for my birthday from my niece. I got this for my birthday. I thought this was pretty cute, so I keep it here. Not an alcoholic, but it was just a very cute bottle. So I have some floating shelves. There's a few things that are here that are DIY, so I'm not gonna tell you which ones are DIY because I don't know if I'm gonna do that video before or after this room tour. I'm not sure. Anyways, some more these type of placemats. I also have it there. I have my dream catcher, these picture frames from Amazon again, and just some little nice wall decor. I just love pictures and these type of pictures, like abstract. I don't know how to call them. Anyways, these photos, I forgot where they're from, but if I remember, I think it's called Senio prints or whatever. Pretty pricey, but they're cute. Anyways, so I got my little baby plant. It's not a very baby plant. Quick story, I had another one. I got it from Home Depot. I left it in the car, and this Florida sun is no joke. It burnt all the leaves, so I had to get a new one, and I got this from IKEA, and it's still alive and kicking, and I think it was like 15 bucks. Also from IKEA, the typical, we see that everywhere. Some more baskets because I wanted this mirror to be lifted up. My cute little Christmas tree because I wanted to be extra and have like a little decoration. Oh my god, ignore that, I have to fix that. And then this mirror from Home Goods, pretty pricey. It was 60 bucks, but it was still pretty. It's pretty cute. I really like the color, if you can see it. Not the color, but like the way it looks. And then my dream catcher, I forgot where I got this from. Where did I get this from? I don't remember. All right, now I remember. I remember now. Hobby Lobby. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. It's a dream catcher macrame, and I'm obsessed with macrames, and I'm gonna do one eventually. You guys will see that. So that's it with that side. Little cute little rug from Five and Below, only $5. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this here. This is also from, I forgot, there is a video. I will have a link below where I got some of these items because your girl's forgetful, but hey, this is not gonna be there. I just needed something to have my little fan standing up. I'm gonna have a longer fan, so that's not gonna be there. Just ignore that. And then this side of the room, which is my bed side, and I have this shelf, the basic shelf from IKEA, and I just have it all nicely decorated. That is from Ross right here. I have my brother always with me. I'm gonna end up putting a photo of him right here. I just need to print it out. Some more fake plants, various stores, guys, Home Goods, Ross, all that nice places where you get stuff. Anyways, cute basket from Ross. This is from Ross. I thought it was gonna fit my cubicle. It did not fit, so I used it for all of my makeup palettes, which I need to go through them because some of them are old, and I just have to redo my makeup because all these are mostly old. Like, come on now, this is gross. This is pretty much like my makeup section because I don't have much room in this room, so we gotta do what we gotta do. You know, I have some more baskets. We're obsessed with baskets, guys, I swear. My makeup, I'm gonna have nicer like ways to store my makeup. Probably have to replace this because it's getting old and crusty, you know. Some more baskets, and then we have my side of the bed. I already said my side of the bed, like I share this bed. Hello, you can't even fit myself in here. But anyways, this is the bed. I got the bed frame from Amazon, I believe, or Walmart. One of those I will figure out and link it below. I got this throw blanket from Home Goods, I believe, and then I got this from somewhere. I forgot. I do have a video of some of my decor in here. I will have that linked below. I got this nice cute table from Ross. It was like 40 bucks, but it's so worth it because it has basket drawers. Oh, so cute. I fell in love with it. I did spill wax melts and now it's stained, which is whatever. I'll just figure it out. I have a cute little Christmas tree because, like I said, I'm extra. I had a wax melt. That's where it spilled. I ruined it, but my sister-in-law is gonna fix it, so that's why it looks so bare and plain. I'm gonna have a picture frame here with something, I don't know. Here's some more throw pillows. On my bed, I do need an extra pillow, larger, because it looks kind of weird like that. And then up here is my DIY floating shelf, and I do have this for little Christmassy lights. I don't know why I haven't been putting it on, but that's how it looks. Cute, right? And then I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby on discount a couple years ago, and then this as well, just fake. Eventually will all be real. Some more picture frames and some more placemats. So cute. And that is pretty much it for what I have. So that is pretty much the rest of my room. This is how it looks on overview. I do have the scenery of the front area and the front porch, which nice little rocking chair. It's pretty cute. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my room. It is not finished, like I keep saying, keep repeating myself, but that's just me. That is it for this video. If you could just please subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, bye.